Let me walk you through these free Amapiano drum loops that you can actually download for free after watching this video. Let's do this right after the intro. Yo, the name is Groovy once again, and still the solution career, providing solutions to your problems. Hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel. Turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment, and subscribed. Alright guys, you are in FS Studio now, and I'm giving you this free Amapiano drum loops. Alright, super simple. So let's listen to the very first one. The link is in the description box, but you know what? Watch the video to the very end so that you can know the password to unzip this file. They come with their BPM. You can see this is 110. Alright, 112, 113, depending on the vibe that you are creating. So let's listen to this one. Super simple. Let's listen to this. Crazy guys. Like the video, leave a comment, let me know where you are watching me from, share this video. So just drag and drop and start creating your Amapiano beat. Oh yeah, this be crazy. This sample crazy. This drum loop be crazy. Let's check this. Check this. Let's listen to this. Check this. Moving on to this one. And you know what? Everything is free. Click on the link in the description box to download. Let's listen. Hey guys, Move on to this. It be bouncy. Ish. Last one. Let me add this loop to it. Let me add this loop. I'm gonna introduce this loop. Let me add this loop. Alright, listen. Hey. Guys, now you see. Okay, listen. Super simple. Everything is free. Download it from the link in the description box. Like the video. Don't just watch this video and go. Please like the video, comment, let me know where you are watching me from, and I'll be happy. If this video helps you, please kindly subscribe to the channel to get free sample packs like this. By the way, do more music, come back for more. The name is God Size. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.